So many years since it was new. The sun still sets and rises on a world of green and blue.
Our absolute goal was to put nature at the heart of our response to climate change, both domestically but also internationally, to bring nature into the center.
Its wild variety. Open your eyes.
When we came to the COP, it was looking like 2.7 degrees. It is now looking like 1.7 degrees, and therefore looking like 1.5 is within reach.
Nature needs to be a central part of our development model. We cannot say that it is that pathway to development and this pathway to protect and restore nature. It's the same.
Fundamentally, nature is the thing we're all here to celebrate, and that's the thing we can all agree on.
When you start investing in nature, it pays you back. It pays you back in ways you cannot even imagine.
Mother Earth is warning us. She is complaining, but you would not listen.
It's time to find another path, a better way.
We need you to platform people that are doing work on the ground. So not only influencers with a lot of followers, not only celebrities, which is always great, of course, we love celebrities, but all the young people that are leading this important change and that do not receive enough attention.
Thank you.
Alok and the UK have said it. Keep 1.5 alive.